So when it comes to making a realistic and authentic video, I think Higgsfield AI is still one of the best tools out there to make a video from a static photo. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert a static photo into a video that look like this using Higgsfield AI. And the process is quite simple. So first you can navigate to higgsfield.ai and then you can log in with your account and then click create and then select video. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use this picture I got from Pixabay, and basically I'm going to click this upload button and select the photo, click open, and then you can select the preset of the video that you want to create. Again, this is just a static photo, but I want to turn it into a unique video that would, get a lot of likes from TikTok or maybe Instagram. Now you can click this preset that you want to use. Let's click it, and you'll see plenty of different options that you could apply to your video. There are some menus that you could select. There are camera control, there are effects, trending effect, etc. So in this case, I will try, I guess I'm gonna be using something simple. Let's see some of them. There is this explosion. Okay, that looks pretty cool, honestly. You know what, let's try using building explosion. Let's try this one. Although there's no building, but that's okay. And for the prompt, it is up to you. You can augment some extra prompt, but this visual styles actually include some prompts. So prompting is not absolutely necessary, but if you want to make a custom scene, then feel free to do so. Feel free to add some prompt if you want to. And then for the model, you can select either light, standard, or turbo. In this case, I do have access to standard, which is going to be faster and maybe better, but it will come at a cost. And there are some other settings, like you can select the seat number, the steps, the duration. The maximum is only 5 seconds, which is kind of okay. And after that, when you're done with all of the settings, you can click generate and just wait for Higgsfield AI to turn that photo into a viral video which later you can download. So this process will take several minutes, and I'll be back when it is done. Well, this is the result. Let me play the video for you. All right, I'm waiting for the explosion. And there is no explosion. Yeah. So one thing here that you need to know is that even though the demo looks quite enticing, sometimes some requirements are needed. In this case, this is for making a building to be exploded, but in my photo, there is no building at all. It's just an empty background. And that's why its AI seems to be struggling to identify the building from the photo, and therefore it was unable to create an explosion effect like this one. So one thing that you need to know, make sure that your photo contains some elements that are present from the templates or presets that you choose. Okay, so unfortunately, I could not create another video because I'm just running out of my credits, but that's basically how you can create a video from a photo using Higgsfield AI. And by the way, you can download the video by clicking on this button, or you can also just right click, or you can click this button and then you can download the video. Sometimes some browsers do offer a download button, but you can still download the video using this button right here. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.